How to add music to Lark Player. This tutorial shows you how to access and manage your music library in the Lark Player app on your Android device. First, open the Lark Player app on your Android device. After that, once the app opens, it will automatically scan and add all the music files saved on your device to the library. From there, browse through your music library to find the songs you want to play. At this point, if you notice that some songs are missing from the library, tap on View Hidden Files to reveal all the audio files stored on your device. In the next step, scroll through the list and find the music file you want to add. Following this, tap on the three dots next to the audio file to open the Options menu. Once done, tap on Unhide to make the file visible in your main Lark Player library. Finally, go back to your main library and the previously hidden song will now appear and be ready to play. And that's it. If this guide helped you add music to Lark Player, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.